In this video, I will show you how to recover your Telegram account in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up a mobile internet browser and navigate to google.com. In the Google search bar, you next want to put Telegram support. And then what you want to do is select the top result. So the address is telegram.org/support. From here, there will be a short form for you to fill out. So what you want to do in the describe your problem box is you want to put the following, or along the lines of, please, can you help me recover my account? The following details for the account are. And what you want to do is basically put your email address, so the email that's linked to the account, and your phone number, like so. Then you should put thanks. And then what you need to do is enter your email address down here, and this is going to be the email that they're going to contact you, and the same with your phone number down here. Once that's done, just go ahead and click the blue submit button down here, and what will happen is Telegram will look into that and they'll get into contact with you via email to help you recover your account. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.